this video, I'll be unboxing my new DJI RS3 Mini. That's a little loud. This is seal. In the box, we get a gimbal, mini tripod, mini quick release plate, L-shaped control cable, just a USB-C cable, and then a normal USB-C cable. Here it says professional 3-axis camera stabilizer. This is the DJI RS3 Mini Ronin. They market it as ultralight at 795 grams. I ordered this particular device because it was within my budget for a gimbal, and the reviews seemed pretty good, so I'm excited to unbox it and use it for some of my vlog content in the future. Probably mostly for B-roll shots and things, so let's open it up. It looks like there's some stickers and other resources there. Terms and conditions. Quick start guide. We may look at that later. DJI forum. We probably won't look at that later. Safety guidelines. Stickers. DJI has pretty good stickers. I already have these ones, but it's cool to have some more. There's a small box here, unlabeled. It is empty. It must just be a spacer to hold things in place. Here's a tab to pull this one out. It has icons to show what's inside. It's all of the other accessories. Here's the, remembering what it's called. There's a name for this type of plate. It's standard, which is good. Camera screws. I'll add that to my big bag if I have extras. Desiccant. We have right angle USB, normal USB, here's the mini tripod. Feel pretty sturdy. I've used much cheaper mini tripods before. The rest of this box is finally, let's take a look at the main attraction. I think everything else here is empty, so I'll get this box out of here. So, let's open it. It's a little loud. It looks and feels really nice. Power button. %. It has a joystick and a recording to trigger on the camera and a menu option. There's mounting spots. We can put the mini tripod on the bottom. And we'll probably do that for this video, so I can set it down. That's what you get. Since it has some power, I want to try and use it, but I think I probably need to put my camera on first. I guess this is the time to look at the quick start guide. So, we've already done step 1. Now, they're saying that we should unlock it, rotate it, and then lock it. So it's probably in like a storage configuration, the lock switch. No, not this one. This one on this side. I see. You flip the lever, and then this lock can move. And then this spins around, and then we lock it. And, then I see, okay. And then we lock it in place in the 180 degrees position. And then we flip the lever. And now it's fallen over and locked, but I think that's correct, because now it's not inside like it was before. The shoe is for the camera you're putting on this, of course. My cameras have shoes, but, well, actually, this camera is on a little thing that I'll probably take it off of to save weight. So we can use their parts here. Put a battery in. Let's look at the instructions. That looks correct to me. Oh, they want it against the camera, not against the lens. Okay, so right here. Unlock the switch, sliding the finger. Well, wrong switch. This switch. There's still an access lock. World is still locked. I understand. Now, it looks like it's in follow mode. I think it's working, but I'll be able to see it more drastically if I switch the mode to have a horizon mode. And so now, There's that classic gimbal motion. Super fun. So let's get this camera on. And I'll record a little B-roll. I can't record, obviously, B-roll of the gimbal itself. So instead, I'll probably record the camera that I was using to record this video with this gimbal.